How to use SEMrush for international SEO. Well, now, easy tutorial. Expanding your website to an international audience sounds exciting, but it also comes with major SEO challenges. Luckily, SEMrush makes international SEO easier than ever. First, go to the keyword magic tool and change your location to the country you're targeting, like Germany, Japan, or the UK. Now, when you search for a keyword, SEMrush gives you country-specific keyword data, including search volume, difficulty, and competition. This ensures you're not guessing what people are searching for in that region. Next, go to Domain Overview and select the regional version of your website, like your domain D or yourdomain.co.uk. You'll get insights into how your domain is performing in that specific market. Want to track multiple regions? Use the Position Tracking tool. You can add several countries and track your keyword. Rankings across all of them in one dashboard. This is incredibly useful if you're running multi-language or multi-country websites. And don't forget about the Site Audit tool. It checks if your hreflang tags are correctly implemented, a crucial part of international SEO. This ensures Google sends the right users to the right localized version of your website. All of this is just scratching the surface. SEMrush offers translation tools, local backlink analysis, and even regional SERP feature tracking. If you're serious about global growth, this is the tool to rely on. Try a SEMrush for free using the link in the video description. It's the first step to dominating search in any language or location.